Okay, children, we are starting exercise 9.2, question number 3, find the product. Today we completed question number 2, right? All 1 to 5. Now we are starting with question number 3, find the product means multiplication. So here we will multiply. The first one, 9 by 2 into minus 7 by 4. Very simple. Numerator multiplies to the numerator, denominator multiplies to the denominator. So 9 into minus 7 and 2 into 4. Nothing can get cancelled. 9 sevens are 63. Plus into minus minus. 2 fours are 8. So this completes your first one. Okay. Now we are going to start the second one. 3 by 10 into minus 9. So here also numerator multiplies to the numerator and the denominator multiplies to the denominator. But here we don't have a denominator, so we simply put 1. 3 will get multiplied to minus 9 and 10 will get multiplied to 1, or simply we can multiply 3 and 9 and we can complete. 3 9s are 27. Plus into minus gives us minus. 10 ones are 10. This completes the second one. Now we start the third one. Minus 6 by 5 into 9 by 11. So 6 will get multiplied to 9. 5 will get multiplied to 11. 6 9s are 54. 5 11s are 55. So this completes the third one. Now we start the fourth one, children. Three twos are 6, plus into minus minus. 7 5s are 35. So this completes the fourth one. Now we start the fifth one. Fifth one is 3 twos are 6, 11 5s are 55. Directly. Sixth, 3 by minus 5 into minus 5 by 3. 3 and 3 will get cancelled. Minus 5 and minus 5 will get cancelled. So what is left? 1 upon 1, which is actually 1. Okay. So this completes question number 3. Now we are going to start question number 4. Question number 4 is find the value of. we divide the two rational numbers by multiplying the first rational number to the reciprocal of the second rational number. So let's do that. This is minus 4 by 1 into 3 by 2. Reciprocal of 2 by 3 is 3 by 2. Now you can see 4 and 2 can get cancelled. So 2 ones are, 2 twos are. 2 threes are gives you 6 upon 1 and minus sign is there. So answer is minus 6. Okay, so this completes the first one. Now, the second one. Minus 3 by 5 divided by 2. So, minus 3 by 5 divided by 2 is alone. So, we write 2 by 1. Now, it will change into multiplication sign and 2 by 1 will become 1 by 2. So, 3 ones are 3, 5 twos are 10 and minus sign. So this completes the second one. Now we will start the third one. Minus 4 by 5 divided by minus 3. Minus 4 by 5 divided by minus 3 by 1. Now this division sign will change into multiplication and the second rational number will write its reciprocal. Nothing can be cancelled. Okay. So 4 ones are 4. Minus sign is there. 5 threes are 15. Minus sign is there. Cancel. And answer is 4 by 15. This completes the third one. Now we start the fourth one, children. Minus 1 by 8 divided by 3 by 4. So minus 1 by 8, division sign becomes multiplication and 3 by 4 becomes 4 by 3. Now 4 and 8 can get cancelled. So whatever is left, 1 ones are 1, minus 1 and 2 threes are 6. So the answer is minus 1 by 6. This completes the fourth one. Now we are going to start the fifth one. Minus 2 by 13 divided by 1 by 7. So minus 2 by 13 into 7 by 1. Okay. Now anything can get cancelled? No. So this is minus 14 by 30. 13 ones are 13 and 2 sevens are is 14. Now we are going to start the next one. That is the sixth one. 13 becomes 13 by 2. Yes. Now 7 into 13. 7 3s are 21. 7 1s are 7. 8 9. Minus into plus becomes minus. 12 2s are 24 and minus. Okay. So minus minus gets cancelled and the answer is 91 by 24. This completes the 6th one, children. Now we are going to start the 7th one. Division becomes multiplication and this becomes 65 by minus 4. Now 65 is divisible by 13. 13 5s is 65. So 13 1s are 13 and 13 5s are 65. Now we multiply 3 5s is 15 and 1 4s is 4 minus 15 by 4 or 15 by minus 4. Any of the two answers can be written. Okay.